DPL 7000 series has under-amplitude search function. This function refers to the oscilloscope's ability to automatically search and mark waveform parts in the input signal that have not reached a specific threshold in amplitude. We connect a 1000 Hz, 200 mV square wave signal to the oscilloscope. Click on Search and set the search type to under-amplitude. Under-amplitude setting, which has been introduced in the previous section on under-amplitude pulse triggering. Interested friends can watch this video. Let's adjust the threshold. Open the tag table. Real-time display of search result sequence, time coordinates, and quantity in the window. Adjusting the time base can display more events, and sliding down can also view more events. When the threshold A is less than 80 mV, the under-amplitude condition is not met, and there are no search results at this time. Adjust threshold A to 150 mV. At this point, the under-amplitude condition is met, and the oscilloscope will display the search results again. Copy the trigger settings. The oscilloscope will copy the search settings to the under-amplitude settings related options in the trigger menu, making them consistent with the under-amplitude settings in the search. Copy self-trigger refers to copying trigger settings to the search menu.